kicks off 2026 with a powerful celebration through its Year of the Horse collection, highlighted by the newly revealed Nike Dunk Low Year of the Horse. Official images showcase a design rooted in Chinese zodiac tradition, giving viewers a first look at what the full lineup may offer. This edition stands out with its ornate heel embroidery, featuring a flying horse and patterns inspired by luxurious silk fabrics. The base uses a clean white and brown palette, allowing the detailed artwork to pop. Since 2026 marks the Fire Horse year, Nike adds subtle yet meaningful red accents on the insole and refined touches on the tongue label and swoosh tail. A special metal lace charm ties the theme together, symbolizing movement, strength, and progress, qualities that define the new year. Although Nike hasn't announced a release date yet, the brand traditionally launches its Year of the collection every January, making this pair one of 2026's most anticipated drops.